here's how you can attach a photo to email on your Android phone. So let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time in here, definitely become part of our community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So it depends on which email client you're using. Obviously, we have the Gmail app, we have the Outlook, but it mostly works exactly the same, where you open up the app, start a new email where you compose the text, subject, select the recipient, but you need to pay attention to the paperclip icon. Mostly people use the Gmail, so you can see it would look kind of like this. And you just tap on the paperclip like this, and you can basically attach a photo. When you click on the photos, it's going to pull up the gallery of your device, and you can scroll through all of the images and all of the stuff you have stored in your gallery and import it or attach it to your email. So you should keep in mind that large videos are not going to work. Anything above 25 megabytes is going to be uploaded to Google Drive, and only like the link will be shared. But you can attach it like that. Or you can as well just click on the camera button and take a picture right away if you want to do that. But that is also attaching a photo just, directly from the camera. And you can as well tap on the files here, which means that you can import a photo which is not stored in your gallery but in other place, because this right here is going to pull up the file manager. So all of the different locations like the cloud storage or your file manager, everything's going to be put together in here, and you can as well find images which are not technically stored in your gallery, but you still have them on your phone, and those can also be attached to the email. So I hope I was able to help you out with it. If you have some other questions regarding this, just let me know about it below. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later.